Hi guys, if you're watching this video, I'm currently here in my hostel. That's one of the best hostel I've been so far in my life, and I'm going to stay here for a month. Some people are passing by, and yeah, I'm in Taiwan, and this is Taipei, and this is the second part of how to pack and what I put in my life. Which jacket should I bring with me? That's a big problem. You don't know where you're gonna go, which country you're gonna be in, how hot it's gonna be there. And yeah, if you live Europe and it's winter, it's very easy. You can just put it on. I never suggest to bring a puff jacket and put a puff jacket in the big luggage. So that's a no-no. It's gonna get you so much space. If you really want to do it, oh, give me a sec. You need to go to buy one of these vacuum sealed bag. Like I found it here for $2 on a dollar store, so Dollarama, and they actually work very well. So if you really need a puff jacket or a very heavy jacket with you, I will suggest you to bring this one with you, vacuum seal them and put them in your big luggage. But just in the case you know you're gonna go to Russia or you know you're gonna go to Quebec City during winter. So if it's not like that, my main solution is actually to bring with you a jacket or a coat that can be good for winter, but it's also very light. If you're not doing on one of these destinations, I will suggest like a jacket like this, so I can survive here in Vancouver during winter. But the best part is I can just put it here around my waist and see, and I don't have to put it in my luggage. I can travel everywhere like this. I did it many times. I went on a hot country during summer and I just put this one in and with maybe just nothing on top, and I don't have to use very weird thing, but I guess no one never told you what to bring with you. It's folders. Yeah guys, you will need folders. You're gonna go away from your lifetime, so you're gonna have a lot of documents with you. I do have my Italian documents, all my banks, my United States documents, so I have tons of documents that I need to care of. And I do recognize that I need folders, and I'm studying, I'm taking classes, so they are very handy, so have one with you. I have a big one, so that's my main big folder where I'm gonna put all the small folders, and I'm going exactly to set all my documents based on the country, based on my visa and everything that I need here. I need always one to have my plane tickets here, my visas, my bank statement information, and all the documents that you need to enter in one country. So I have tons of folders with me. Get as many as you can or collect them while you're traveling, but they are gonna be with you forever. They are so cute. My travel life, it's real, it's low cost carrier, sleeping at the airport, don't getting any taxi, using public transportation, and majority of the time I'm alone. So I discover many items I cannot travel without anymore, and one is this one, and it's a pillow, travel pillow. I know it's annoying, I always found it annoying, and I always said I will never travel with a travel pillow, and I do. And I cannot survive without anymore. I just sleep at the airport, I just sleep on the airplane, and I just, put it outside my backpack, not inside my backpack. If I have space, I put it inside my carry-on. Depends how many things I have with me. But when you're sleeping on the airport on the ground for maybe 2-3 times a year, beds on the ground, sleeping on the bus, sleeping on the train, sleeping on the airplane can be super cold, especially for me. I saw people freeze as hell. I'm sorry to tell you, but this one, it's what I bring with me. right now. It's a big poncho. I found it super cool. And other than that, it's big enough to cover me as a blanket. So it's very simple. While I'm sleeping at the airport, I can use my pillow, lie down on my big luggage and put this one on top, and it's gonna fool me cover. It's gonna make me warm during the night, so it's perfect. I could never travel without it. And other than just blanket, and many times if it's very cold, I can put on top of my jacket to cover myself, or I do use it as a scarf. And now you guys, you're thinking, no, I'm a man, I'm not gonna buy and go around with something like this. But I will tell you, my brother does have a big scarf like this, very similar, my friend does, and they are very cool, very trendy. There's many different designs also for guys right now, so I know you are cold too while you're sleeping on airport ground. So please just buy something like this and travel with. Don't be worried. No one will never judge you. Other guys, they are gonna think you are super smart. So last things, I'm so sorry, the video is very long. I have so much to say, but that's very important. What I suggest you to bring with you. I came here for working, right? So, and I'm going to work in Australia as well. So what I really needed was something black. I needed for my interviews and to my work trial, exactly. And I didn't have nothing black with me because I don't like black. I love colors. That's the only t-shirt I had black with me, and it's not okay because it does not have any sleeves. So instead to bring shampoo and conditioner and so on, but I already told you to don't bring, just bring a pair of black pants or trousers, as you like to call them, and then like a shirt or a long sleeve black. So plain black color. So just bring these two items with you because you might need them for work or for a job interview. So very important to have. Which country are you from and where you're watching this video? But that's my last tip. These are dryer sheets. I got them in North America, and they are the type of sheets you put inside the dryer. Oh, they smell so good while you're drying your clothes. Very common here. So I just buy them. I put them inside my luggage to make my clothes smelling good. And when I reach my destination, I can use them in the dryer. Hey guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. So if you have any question, just comment below. And I'm very sorry about my English, but it's kind of like very tricky and hard talk in English to the camera. It's actually come out even in Italian for me, so it's not very natural. So I'm very sorry. Will try to improve in the next video. So I'm here in Taipei. Any question about it, just comment below. As I said, oh my gosh, I'm repeating the same stuff. Okay, never mind. Cafe and cappuccini. Bye bye.